For a long time, my work revolved around finding patterns, building reports, and analyzing data. But I wanted to go beyond that. I wanted to learn how these insights drive product decisions. So I pursued professional certification course offered by Simplilearn in collaboration with SPJ Global. Hi, my name is Alex. I am from Mumbai and this is my journey. I work as a data analyst in ConnectTech Field. I have 4 years of experience in the same field. I am a graduate from St. Xavier's College holding a degree in BSc Chemistry. My day-to-day work looks like analyzing data, generating reports, and creating actionable insights for the stakeholders. Working with cross-functional teams, especially product team, I understood how my data insights are helping the stakeholders to make product-driven decisions. This is where I started gaining interest in product management. So in order to bridge the gap and build a foundation in product management, I started surfing on Google, where I landed on platform Simplilearn, which was offering professional product management course in collaboration with SPJ. I went through the module that they offered and then I found it apt to build a foundation in product management. So my learning journey was amazing. What stood out to me the most was how well structured the course was. The course gave an hands-on experience with various projects and offered guidance from experienced faculty. My long-term career goal is to become a product owner. I want to develop a product using my data analytics and product management skills, a successful product which will be useful to many. Looking back, I have noticed that I have started understanding business more properly. Before this course, I could figure out what the problem is. After pursuing this course, I understood the relation between the data and the product management. Outside of my professional life, I am a big lover of music. I love playing guitar. Sometimes I read and write and draw also. This helps me maintain balance between my analytical thinking and creative side. Always listen to your gut instincts when it comes to learning. Killing your curiosity by learning something new won't harm you in any way.